What if the ocean suddenly pulled back? And what returned was something no human could outrun. The ocean appears calm, endless, and predictable. But beneath its surface lies one of the most destructive forces on Earth. Tsunamis are not just giant waves, they are moving walls of energy capable of erasing entire coastlines. Today, we uncover the terrifying science, silent warning signs, and uncomfortable truths about tsunamis. Most tsunamis begin deep underwater, triggered by earthquakes, landslides, or volcanic eruptions. When massive sections of the seafloor suddenly move, they displace enormous volumes of water. That energy doesn't disappear. It travels. What starts silently in the deep ocean ends violently on land. In deep water, tsunami waves can travel faster than a jet airplane, yet rise only a few feet high. Ships often pass right over them without noticing anything unusual. Danger doesn't always look dangerous. As a tsunami approaches shallow coastal waters, its speed decreases, but its height explodes. The energy compresses upward, turning invisible waves into towering walls of water. Shallow water turns motion into destruction. Many survivors report a terrifying truth. The first wave often isn't the largest. Minutes later, stronger waves arrive, catching people off guard and pulling them back into danger. Survival requires patience, not curiosity. Before some tsunamis strike, the ocean suddenly retreats, exposing the sea floor. To an untrained eye, it looks fascinating, even beautiful. In reality, it is one of nature's final warnings. Curiosity has cost thousands of lives. Dense populations, flat coastlines, and poor evacuation planning turn tsunamis into humanitarian disasters. Buildings become debris. Roads vanish. Escape routes disappear in seconds. Urban growth amplifies natural disasters. A tsunami generated on one side of the planet can strike another continent hours later. This global reach makes tsunamis one of the few disasters that ignore borders completely. The ocean connects everything. When water arrives without warning, the brain struggles to process scale and speed. People hesitate. They underestimate the force. And hesitation becomes deadly. Water moves faster than fear. Modern sensors can detect underwater earthquakes and sea level changes, but warnings only work where systems exist and where people know how to respond. Technology alone is not enough. Prepared minds save more lives than machines. Tsunamis don't happen often, but they will happen again. The ocean stores energy patiently and releases it without emotion or mercy. Tsunamis remind us that the ocean is not just a view, it is a force. Silent, powerful, and unforgiving. We cannot stop the waves, but we can understand them, respect them, and learn to respond. Because survival begins long before the water reaches the shore. For more cinematic explorations of Earth's most powerful forces, subscribe and join us for the next story.